Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install the soft top on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So first we're going to take this piece. This happens to be the driver's side. We want to make sure we have all 4 doors open. On the back side of this, you can see that it says for the left-hand side, that would be the driver's side. There is a little nub right here. It's going to go into that hole. So we'll line that up, and then so that'll go into the hole there. And then up top there's a clamp. It's going to clip onto that right there. And then up front there is a hole. We're going to line this up with the hole up top there before we put the next piece. Then we're going to grab this piece. This again is the driver's side, and on it right there it says left hand, so that's the driver's side. This is going to slide, there's a clamp right here. This is going to slide right here and then go over that position. Just like that. Then we want to have these 3 screws. You'll have a short one and 2 long ones. The long ones are going to go where the clamps are, right here. I'm going to have to wiggle it a little bit. We just want to get it in position before we snug it down. Just get that started. This smaller one, it's going to go in the middle here, just like that. And then this other one's going to go in the front, where this clamp goes. Once those are all in position, we'll just snug them up. Not too tight, snug. And then we're going to do the same with the passenger side. After we install those side pieces, next we can open the trunk. Slide that open. We're going to continue to put the soft top on. To install the top, it'd be easier to have 2 people, but you can do it by yourself. Just going to slide this into position over here. Oops. This needs to go on the outside. And then there's a bracket that needs to slide into that bracket there. And then same with the other side. Once those are installed, you can slide this down. Lower this like this. Then we can put the 2 bolts in on this side and 2 bolts on the other side. These happen to be 10mm bolts on this vehicle. I believe these are aftermarket screws, so my assumption is factory has Torx bolts that go through here. So if you have the actual bolts, use those. I'll take my 10mm socket and a ratchet and just snug these up. Then I'll do the same with the other side. All right, to slide this into position, I'm just going to slide this up, and then this is going to go up like this. So this bracket right here has to go on this track right here on both sides, like that. And then it's gonna clip in right there. It clipped in on that side, so that's good. We can take this top, just fold it over, just like that. Then we can fold this down with this in position. I'll pull down here. We're gonna use this lock and just move the sun visor out of the way. Latch that one down, and we'll do the same with this side. Open this up, lock that down. Next, I'll take these two sides, just pull down, and you want this plastic piece to go underneath this lip here. Just slide this into position. Just like that. We'll do the same with the other side. Next, we're going to install these side windows. There's a zipper right at the top. Take this, get this in started with the zipper. Just zip it that much. Really want to take this and insert it right here. Just wrap it around, just like that. And then the bottom, get the bottom started. Just like that, make sure that's all the way on. Once that's good, take the zipper, just go right around, zip up the window, just like that. We're gonna tuck this underneath here. It's Velcro. And then make sure that's nice and tight. We'll do the same with the other side. Before we install the rear window, we are going to take these little brackets. Right here it says left-hand side, the other one says right-hand side. And they're going to slide in over here. You're going to slide the back portion in first, and then you're going to roll it forward, clip it in place. We're going to do the same for the other side. Just like this. So that latch goes underneath there, like that. Roll it forward. So with this, in this position, this crossbar and this rear window like this, there's a little groove in here in this bar. It's going to go on this little piece of the window. So we're going to have to slide this in here. Just like that. Get that like that. So that this is the outside of the window. This weather stripping is on the outside, just like that. And take the window. I'm gonna slide this into the car like this first. We have to zipper it. We have two zippers on this side. It's gonna attach to the zipper on the inside right here. I'm gonna get it started. This part's a little bit tricky. Get that started. Like that. There we go. Once that's started, you can just move this into position. I'm not going to lock it in yet. I just want to move it over there. Start zippering up this window. Once it gets to that portion, then I'm going to slide this bracket in right there, and I'm just going to roll it. And that's good. And then zipper it the rest of the way. All the way down. And there's a piece right here. This is going to slip in underneath here. Just push in. And we'll do the same for the other side. Slide this in here. Lock it in place. We'll close the gate.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.